Hey guys, welcome back to another new exciting video. Recently, Anthropic published one research paper regarding global workspace in language models, means all of this ChatGPT, Claude, DeepSeek, all of this model, how they work. Okay, and here you see they have also published this YouTube video, what is at the center of Claude's mind. Okay, now if you read this blog, here you will find one word which is the J space. Let me show you. Here you see this is the J space. I will talk about this J space inside this video and also why this J space is very important for a language model. And here you see this is their research paper and a lot of points they have discussed, but inside this video with the help of this diagram I will explain you in a simple way so that any technical or non-technical person can understand. Okay, so first of all, imagine a large language model like Claude or ChatGPT or DeepSeek. They have thousands of experts. Okay, most of the models that is getting released means today also I made a video on this Tencent new model HY3. This is also a mixture of expert model. Longcat 2.0, that was also a mixture of expert model, and they are activating some of the experts at a time. Okay, let's say there is a general knowledge expert and there is a mathematics expert. Okay, and also there is a coding expert. Now you have asked one question that what is the capital of France, and the result that you will get, you have to count the number of letter inside that answer. Okay, now here you need two expert. One is the general knowledge expert, another one is the mathematics expert. Okay, now here is also a catch. Until the general knowledge expert giving the answer, mathematics expert cannot count the number of letter, right? So how this mathematics expert will understand that what is the answer from the general knowledge expert? So for that, Anthropic found that there is a space which is the J space. Okay, they have given the name as the J space, and that J space is the global workspace. Now, if I take you to that point, here you see we call the collection of this pattern as the J space. They are saying that these J space are kind of whiteboard, and this is a global board. And inside the model, let's say this is the general knowledge expert, and this is the mathematics expert, and also let's say there is a grammar expert, and let's say there is a coding expert, and all of these expert can see this J space. Okay, and whenever the work for this general knowledge expert is done, he will or they will send the answer to the J space. Okay, and then this mathematics expert will understand, okay, the answer from the general knowledge expert has come, and now I have to count the number of letter inside that response. Okay, so in this way the whole system actually works inside a LLM model. But there are a lot of things that you have to understand about this JSpace. Means how this JSpace can actually help to make the model more beautiful. So whenever you are asking question to this model, the model thinks, okay, let's say you have asked a question that what is the value of the multiplication of 23 multiply 17. Okay, let's say this is your question that what is the value 23 multiply 17. Okay, so whenever you will give this and question to the model, if the model have a thinking capability, okay, so the model will think. Most of the model you will see that they show the thinking traces. Okay, so if you expand that thinking traces, then you will see that it is doing calculations, a lot of things, a lot of computations. If the question is tough, then it will do more computation. If the question is easy, then it will do some less computation. Okay, now that traces are actually present inside JSpace. This is uh, one of the findings that researchers have found, that all of this reasoning is present inside the JSpace. Okay, so so what is the advantage? That means this JSpace acting like a temporary nodes on the whiteboard that different parts of the model can use while solving the problem. Right? Not only that, Anthropic researchers also have found that this model can keep the ideas inside JSpace which are not relevant to the output. Let's say you have given one question to this model, and the model is thinking from lots of perspective, and when it is providing the output and all of the things that it has done or it did, there is some of the things or some of the points that are not related to the output. Okay, so what you will expect that that traces it should not be present inside the J space. It should be removed from the J space, but the model is not removing that traces in from the J space. They are keeping that, although that traces are not relevant to the model final output, but they are keeping the traces inside the J space. Okay, this is similar to our daily life. Let's say, as a person, when you are watching this video, you may thinking about the dinner, means what you will eat for dinner. At the same time, you are watching this video and you are thinking that what you will eat for dinner. Although there is no relation between this video and that dinner. Okay, but you are doing the same thing at the same time. So this is a kind of similarity. And also, researchers have found that you can directly modify the J space. Means you can ask the question to the model that what is the capital of France? Okay. Now, as the thinking is happening inside J space, so you can directly modify the word France to let's say China. Okay. And when you will change that, then the model will answer question related to China, not the friends. Okay, so you can directly modify the JSpace and you can change the model output and the model functionality. Okay, now what we have learned that the JSpace is not simply recording the information, it actively influencing the model's reasoning also. Okay, and after that, there's the next important point where it comes that researchers also tested that if you suppress or if you make this J space weaker, then the model output also will get affected. Okay, as I told you that most of the reasonings are happening inside JSpace. If you make this JSpace weaker or disabled, then the reasoning part also will get weaker and disabled. So what they have found that if they make this JSpace weaker and disabled, then it can give the answer for the simple questions like translate this or give me the facts on the topic. For a simple type of question, they don't need the thinking. So they can easily give the answer. But the multi-step workflows or the complex task where the thinking is needed, the model cannot perform well for that. Okay, so this supports the idea that JSpace serves as the coordination center and it is allowing the many specialized parts of the model to work together on more complex problems. You see, we are already going to that point where we have found a area where models most of the information got stored, and that area is the JSpace. Okay, now we can actually make this model more AI safety with the help of JSpace. How? As I told you that all of the reasoning are happening inside JSpace, so you have all of the traces that what model is thinking. Okay, let's say the model is giving the output and that output is not that much harmful or there is no bad words. But when the model is thinking, they are also thinking the harmful words and the bad words also. Okay, so you can actually make this JSpace more safety and you can actually remove that, okay, to make the model more safety. So you can implement that safeguard inside this JSpace to make the model more AI safety or the more advanced system AI system also you can make. Okay, so now the thing is that how the model is thinking, it is similar to the global workspace theory from the neuroscience. Means human also thinking the same way. Inside human also there are lots of neurons and they are also thinking. Means all of these neurons are kind of experts and they are communicating each other. Okay, but now the important question comes that human have the feelings. Okay, so this LLM model behaving the same way. It is working the same way like the human neurons. So as human have the feelings, so uh, all of this model have the consciousness and means all of this model have the conscious and also have the feelings. This is a bigger question, right? But what they have found that it does not work like that way. Means the models appears to something means it is right that the model appears to have something similar to working memory or shared whiteboard that helps it to coordinate complex reasoning, but this is very different from being sentiment or self-aware. Okay, there is no relation between these two. So this is the thing, guys. What they have found means this J space is very important for the model, and now they can continue more research regarding this. And you can read it. Read this is the paper. I will keep both of these link in description. What I have explained you till now, all of these things are written here. Okay, here you see this is a J space and all of this point. Okay. So yes, guys, this is a thing I wanted to share with you. All of the latest information. If you want to get directly in your mobile as a notification, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Don't forget to like this video also. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.